Zina. Zina! See. Yes. It's so much flowers again, right? There is still some more buds under actually. But last year it's like really like. See? Look at that. Who is that? There's a kid at the other side. See? Ay, kaning tawag ibutang dre ng hagdan ang tanawa niya. Tamo sa isa ka pungpong. Isa ka sanga. Daghan siyang bulak. Ayan, daghan ba siya gagmay o buds pa. Diba? Ayan o, daghan ba ka siyang buds. Isa rin siya kasanga nga gamay. Yan, isa kasanga. Who's piping there?